Ning is 8 years younger than her brother Michael. 28 years ago, she was half as old as Michael. How old is Michael now? So, we have Michael. Represent natin siya as X. And yung kay Ning ay X minus 8. Since si Ning is 8 years younger than her brother, Michael. So, 28 years ago, so, represent natin tong age ni Michael 28 years ago as X minus 28. So, itong age ni Ning, ma-minusan mo rin siya ng 28. So, magiging X minus 36. So, 28 years ago, she was half as old as Michael. So, ito yung age ni Ning, 28 years ago. So, we have X minus 36 is equal to half as old as Michael. So, we have 1 half times X minus 28. So, multiply both sides by 2 para ma-cancel out yung denominator. Then, distributive property. So, we have 2x minus 72 equals x minus 28. Then, transpose x to the left side. So, we have 2x minus x. Then, transpose din natin yung negative 72 to the right side. So, we have negative 28 plus 72. So, 2x minus x is x. So, negative 28 plus 72 is 44. So, our answer is 44. Ang x natin dito ay nagre-represent sa age ni Michael. Therefore, Michael is 44 years old now.